He looks like the guy on he looks like,
From The Hangover.
yeah, he looks like the guy on The Hangover that has the baby with the musky ear. That's who he looks like.
When I was coaching back in Wisconsin, I put 5 kids on junior, national, intramural league, weightlifting competition, referees, challenge. 9 times. This is real gum.
This guy.